Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily delete your history in Firefox. So for doing this you just need to go to menu, and in menu you will find settings, so just click on the settings, and in the settings you need to choose option privacy and security, and here you just scroll down. Here you will find history. It will be upper to address bar. Here you can see Firefox will remember history and never remember history. Also you can choose it and you won't see any history again, and you just click here, click on clear history, and it will delete. Here you can also choose what you want to delete from history: browsing and download history, active logins, forum and search history, cookies and cache. So if you delete your cookies, so you will need to enter again to all accounts on different sites there you also opening, because it will delete all info from this sites, and also your logins and passwords will be deleted too. So just choose here time range to clear. Here you can see that you can also choose last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours, today, or everything. So after you choose it, you just click OK, and it will delete all the history for all time, with cookies, with cache and everything. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.